Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert an image in Microsoft Word using several different options available in the program. Whether you want to add a photo from your computer, use professional stock images. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab in the dashboard. Next, find and click the Pictures option. After clicking Pictures, you'll see several choices for adding images to your document. Then, if you want to insert an image stored on your computer, click This Device. A file browser window will appear. Select the image you want to use and click Insert. The picture will immediately be added to your Word document. Next, if you prefer using built-in images, click Stock Images. You'll find different categories such as images, icons, cutout people, stickers, illustrations, and cartoon people. Browse through the available options and choose the image you want. After selecting your image, click Insert to add it to your document. Then, if you'd like to use images from the internet, click Online Pictures. You'll see different image categories and search options. Choose a category that interests you, such as backgrounds or other image types. Select the picture you want and click Insert. Word will download and place the image directly into your document. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who may find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.